Hello student, welcome back to surface area and volume part 8. So in this we will discuss about example on volume and surface area of ball that is in hemisphere or in sphere shape. So the question is a hemispherical ball of internal diameter 36 centimeters. So there is a internal ball of diameter 36 centimeter, means from here to here it is given 36 centimeter. So what will be the radius? Radius is equal to diameter by 2, which is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, now this liquid is to filled in a cylindrical bottle of radius 3 centimeter into, there is a another cylindrical bottle whose radius is 3 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. So, how many bottles are required to empty this bowl? So, the liquid is getting transferred to a cylindrical shaped bottle and it is asking how many bottle can be filled when we are emptying this bowl. Okay. So, let's see the solution. So, we have So what will be the solution? We have to find the volume. As we are filling the liquid into the this shaped bottle that is cylindrical, so we have to find the volume of both. And suppose n number of cylindrical shaped bottle is required to fill this or empty this one. This we are have to empty this one. So let n number of bottles is required. Okay, let n number of bottle is required to empty the bowl. Empty the bowl. Okay. So let's find the volume of that hemispherical bowl. Volume of hemispherical bowl. How we have to calculate? We are knowing that volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube and r is 18 centimeters. So this will be equal to 2 by 3 pi 18 cube. Okay. Let it be in this one. Don't calculate because it will be lengthy for you. So let's find the volume of cylindrical bottle is equal to how much? Pi r square h. We already know about this. So how this will be how much? Pi into 6. This is h and r is 3. So square. R I have written here. Okay. So this will be, don't calculate, okay, let it be in this form. So now n number of bowl is required to empty n number of bottle is required to empty the bowl. So which implies, what it implies, that the volume of cylindrical one into n is equal to how much? This volume. That means what we have to write? We have to write n into pi 6 into 3 square is equal to how much? 2 by 3 pi 18 cube. Okay. So it will be how much? Implies that n is equal to how much? 2 by 3 pi 18 cube. Let write into this like this. Okay, by pi into 3 into 3 into 6 by cross multiplication. This is in the other part of equal symbol, so we can cross multiply and we are getting an h. This cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 6 ja 3, 1 ja 2 ja 3, 1 ja 6 ja and 6 get cancelled. So this is 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 18, that is 72. So we required how many bottles to empty this hemispherical bowl? We required 72 numbers of bottle to empty this hemispherical bowl.
So next question is, the volume of two spheres are in the ratio of 64 is to 27. There are two spheres. Okay. One is bigger one and another one is smaller one. Suppose this sphere is S1 and this sphere is suppose S2. Let name it. Okay. So the this by this is 64 by 27. So what is the volume solution? It is the ratio of volume. So volume of this is bigger one 64. So we have to write volume of this sphere 2, volume of sphere 2 by volume of sphere 1 is given. How much is given? This is given 64 is to 27, that is 64 by 27. Okay. So let the radius of this one is bigger r and suppose the radius of this one is smaller r. So what is the volume of sphere 2? It will be how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And the smaller one is 4 by 3 pi r square is equal to how much? 64 by 27. So both are in numerator, so this get cancelled, pi get cancelled. So we are remaining with r cube by r cube, bigger r cube by smaller r cube. That is, we can write this. It is r cube and this is small r cube. So we can use what? Cube method, that is power method. That so we can write this as to the power is equal to 64 by 27. Implies that r by r is equal to how much? 64 by 27 root cube. Here it is cube, so if it is equal to another side, it will be cube root. So for 64, the how much the cube root of 64 is we have already know. You can do with the prime factorization, which is equal to 4, and this one is 3. So another is there, if the sum of the radius is 7, means r plus r equal to 7, it is also given. So from here we can write by cross multiplication 3r is equal to 4r, implies that 3r minus 4r is equal to 0. I bring it to this side. Now I am multiplying this 4 by 3, the whole into 3. So how much it will be? 3r plus 3r is equal to 21. And now I am subtracting this from this. Okay. So what will be the answer? It is equation 1 and suppose this is equation 2. So I am subtracting this with, so this will be 0 minus 21. Okay. So it will be how much? 3r minus 4r minus 3r minus 3r is equal to minus 21. Implies that this 3r minus 3r get cancelled. Minus 4r minus 3r is equal to minus 7r. is equal to minus 21, implies that r is equal to how much? Minus 21 by minus 7, and this equal to 3. Similarly, from this r will be how much? 7 minus small r, which is equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. And now we have to find the difference of their surface area. Difference means bigger minus smaller. So we have to find the difference in surface area. Means we are finding difference in surface area. Difference in surface area. How much? It will be equal to how much? 4 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. Bigger minus smaller. So it will be 4 pi, that will be common. So we are remaining with r square minus r square. Implies that 4 pi and r is we have got 4 square, and this r is we have got 3 square. 4 pi 16 minus 9, which is equal to 5 into 4 pi into 5 is equal to 20 pi. It is ratio, so unit square. There is no unit given, so you have to write unit square. Okay. And in the next class we will begin our discussion for retail